Hello, today I want to pick this Hori Trident, which is a Japanese high pin count lock with 15 pins in 3 rows, this weird circular QA, 5 pins in each row. The drivers are T-spool drivers, and yeah. Let's see how it goes. One of the harder things in this lock is tensioning it, actually. And there's some ping-ponging going on, substantial amount, I would say. Two, three, 4 is barely a lift. 1, 2, 3. So we leave it. But 5 is a lift. So we need to pick it. After setting pretty much every pin, we need to go back to some previously set pins and set them again, which is a pretty much definition of ping-ponging in a lock. Okay, 5 will be set. That's 2 dropped. So dropped as well. 3, left row is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the right row. Start with 2. 1 is barely a lift in this row. Did I set it? Not really. Oh, that was a dropping fest, but it's okay. Now pin 3. And pin 4. Dropped, 3 is okay, 4, come on. Okay. Three, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 dropped. I have overset 5 on the left. Shit. Not 5, 1 on the left. I think I said 5. It was 1. That's good. 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top now. Okay, left was good. Now 2 on the top. 3 as well. 4, 5 is good. Now we tap the min lifts because I think we are nearing the end and you need to nudge all the min lift pins and all the pins in general. Shit. Right. Okay, tap. Click out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. row wasn't set. I'm sorry. 5, 4, 3. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. In the left row, undropped. 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Three on the left now. Undropped. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top row 1, dropped. 2 is good. 3 dropped. 4 is good. Okay, 5. In the right row. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. They're okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 in the left row are okay. Let's tap 4 and 5. 1 is good, 2 is good. 3 is good. 4. Click. I think we are there. Yeah, we were there. All right. Oh, I'm very sorry about the coffee. All right then. As you saw, that took me some time to get, as I've said. These pins really do ping pong a lot during the picking. So yeah, but there we have it. At last. That was, I feel like, one of my longer picking times of this lock. Usually it didn't take that long, but picked is picked, nevertheless. You have to set these pins in a very specific order, and also the tolerance margins with this type of pins are quite slim, so if you let the pin counter rotate a bit too much, then a lot of other pins might drop and force you to... Sorry, I'm not prepared. It should be the normal one, right? As I was saying, the tolerance margins are slim, so if you let the pin counter rotate a bit too much, then you might be in for some bad time, meaning you're gonna need to really set all of these pins, not maybe all, but most of the pins again. Okay. There you have the car with the pins. The key pins are all spools as well, so if you overset, they will give you counter rotation, and they will probably be very hard, if not impossible, to drop without dropping other pins if you do overset them. But for a trained hand, the counter rotation from a key pin is always a little bit different than from a driver pin. There is a substantial difference. I hope I did this in the correct order. I hope. Yes, I should have. Alright. these are for the pins to not drop in these holes. Beautiful. Oh shit. I pushed a little too hard, but it's okay. We have our shim. Anti-drilling insert. Oh shit. That was a wafer. What for? I don't know. Let's put it here. It was essentially in position 6. Ah, yeah. Of course. It was a ball bearing for this hole right here. For the purpose of core centering. Okay, there we have our log body. Come on. With holes drilled. Like that. There's still this insert. Yeah, nothing spectacular about it. It's well made, pleasant to the touch, smooth, and feels like a quality piece of well machined brass. But yeah, let's take a quick look at the core. Come on. Come on, okay. No milling. Come on. Okay. Opening in the core, 5 chambers on the left. Anti-drilling insert here and here. This is the hole for the ball bearing to center the core. There's these little shelves, as often is the case with high pin count locks, because they have an open QA, and 5 holes in the right. That was that, and let's take a look at the pins now. What do these look like? Yeah, as I've said, these are the T-spools. They are T-pins essentially, but they do give counter rotation. So they pick like a normal spools pretty much. But this lock is a bit more difficult than the one with normal spools I didn't get last time. So yeah, spooled key pins and T-spool drivers. Some are steel, some are brass. Yeah, I think that's it. Like, let's take a look row by row. That's the left row, that's the top row, that's the bearing, and that's the right row. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, and bye bye.